At the Highway Expo Center. That what are you looking for there? I'm videotaping. What are you looking for? This is
What's
the
it?
this is
Nothing right now.
this is the part section.
Try for the trade thing.
Keep on looking for it. That's another thing on the list. Parts, 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 and more parts.
You need to find a train cleaner. That's what you need to find. Daddy had one that's individual.
Daddy,
You put
old
up
time
and
whistle.
down, up and down.
Okay. I'm gonna look around with the camera. I'll be right over here.
Hold on to that.
What you got here? I'm videotaping. What you got?
Did you see this?
No, I haven't seen it. What is it?
It hooks onto your track.
You're welcome, sir. Whole box, $40.
How do these hook up?
I'm hearing some old cars.
I know. Daddy didn't want me to touch them.
I'm videotaping them.
These switches. Let's see.
Dumping car. You put coal in it, it dumps.
What it says there. Real King. $40 for the can't beat that. Switches and everything. You take the crate with you.
Marcel, up to the camera.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm spending time at the Rhino Train Show place.
Highway
At
Expo Center.
Ohio Expo Center. Having a good time.
Yeah. There.
So, how much is this and this?
This one, you didn't get this from me. Where did you get this from? That one that you. Oh.
This belongs to you.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and this is the High Access Center train show. What?
What's that? Oh, let me look.
You can stop.
Turn it off, my chick.